Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back with another Cash App video. Today I'm going to show you how to dispute a transaction if your boost isn't applied. So first of all, Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. They have a wallet, they have a card where you can spend your balance and get discounts. They have peer-to-peer payments and investing in stocks and Bitcoin. If you haven't signed up already, you can use the link in the description to get $5 for free. Now here we have the card and we have a boost applied. This one is Shake Shack 25% off. And I've noticed recently, sometimes when you have the boost applied and you use your card, it forgets to give you the discount. And I've noticed that on this one in particular. So sometimes you need to go into your transactions in the top right corner. This will show a list of every transaction that you've done. And we can tap on this transaction in specific and we can see that I just did this one. I was supposed to get 25% off, but the boost wasn't applied. So here's what we can do, and this has worked every time that I've done it. You need to tap the three dots in the top right corner, and then you need to tap missing boost. So I'm gonna tap on that, and it's gonna say, sorry, we missed your boost. We'll take a look at your purchase and update you soon. You can just tap done. Now you can see this is a pending transaction because Shake Shack does their transactions weird and they like process them a day or two later. So a day or two later, when this processes, I might need to come in here and check this again to make sure that that boost was applied. Now normally this is never an issue. Like right when you swipe the card, you'll get the notification that the boost was applied. I've just had issues with this Shake Shack in particular. So this might be helpful if you have any of these similar situations. We can go to a different transaction here where I used this method, and we can see that the 25% boost did get applied after I went through that process. You can see they're down on the bottom. So that'll do it for this video. There's how to get boosts applied if the app misses them. I hope you found this helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.